Your salary hit your account 3 days ago. Right now, before you have bought a single thing, roughly 65% of it is already gone. AMIs auto debited, rent transferred, subscription renewed, money sent home. You didn't spend it, फिर भी it just left. और जो बचा है इन सब के बाद, that's what you're actually living on. I want to be honest with you. For a long time, I was doing this completely wrong. सैलरी आती थी और मैं सोचता था मैं मैनेज कर लूंगा, पर हमेशा की तरह मंथ के एंड में सिर्फ 3,000 रुपए बचते थे, again and again. Then I started doing something different, something simple, and it changed everything for me. By the end of this video, you will have a specific rule. I call it the 48-hour money rule that tells you exactly what to do with your salary the moment it lands. Not theories, not spreadsheets, a real system. But first, I need to show you why most salary advice जो आप usually सुनते हो is useless for most Indians, and why your money disappearing isn't about discipline. I went through purviews and PwCs. What I mean to say, I went through a lot of data to make this video, and what I found will make you feel less guilty and more angry. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना and चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Your money doesn't disappear because you're bad at spending. It disappears because it was already committed before you even got it. Look at the data. A Perfuse and PwC study, 30 lakh Indian consumers, published on December 2024, found that salaried Indians spend over 33% of their monthly income just on EMIs. That's 1/3 gone before you open Zomato. Add rent on it, 15 to 20% in most metro cities. Add whatever you send home to parents. Add the Netflix, the Prime, the gym membership you haven't used since January but forgot to cancel. Add the auto debit for that insurance policy you don't fully understand. अब टोटल करो, 60 to 65% of your salary is pre-committed before you consciously spend a single rupee. Now wait, think about that. You feel like you're making choices about your money, but by the time salary hits, most choices are already made by your past self, who set up those auto debits and never reviewed them. This isn't a discipline problem. It's a design problem जो हम unknowingly करते. The problem is that you set your lifestyle based on day one balance, when your account looks full and everything feels possible. And by the 20th, you have 4,000 rupees left. And you're living on that feeling of confusion. सोचो एक bucket है जो लीक हो रही है. आप उसमें पानी डाल रहे हो, that's your salary. But there are 8 to 10 small holes at the bottom. Those are your forgotten auto debits, your invisible commitments. You don't see the holes. You just notice the bucket is always empty. The fix isn't to pour faster, it's to find those holes. तो प्रॉब्लम क्लियर है, बट यहाँ पे मोस्ट फाइनेंस एडवाइस फेल हो जाती है, क्योंकि अक्सर लोग कहते हैं सेव मोर स्पेंड लेस. इफ इट वाज दैट इजी, हर कोई कर रहा होता. दैट्स नॉट यूजफुल. यूजफुल इज a specific rule, and that rule has a 48-hour window. The 48-hour money rule is simple. The moment your salary arrives, you have 48 hours. In that window, your money is real. It hasn't been absorbed by lifestyle, by temptation, by the account balance that makes everything looks affordable. After 48 hours, Parkinson's law takes over. अब ये क्या चीज है? Well, Parkinson's law of money says that expenses always rise to meet income. It's not a personal failing, it's a human psychology. Give yourself a bigger container, higher salary, higher credit limit, bigger account, and money fills it up completely. हर बार बिना realize करें. Let's make this real. आपको 60,000 रुपए मिलते हैं हर मंथ इन हैंड. On day one, your account shows 60,000 और आपके ब्रेन को लगता है it's a lot of money. But here's what those 60,000 actually look like after the 48-hour audit. AMIs 18,000 gone by auto debit. Rent 15,000 transferred or auto debit. Money sent home 5,000 rupees. Subscriptions, SIPs already running, insurance 3,000 rupees. That leaves 19,000 for the entire month. Roughly 633 rupees per day. Not 60,000, 19,000. The reason you feel broke, even on a decent salary, is because you have been mentally budgeting with 60,000, but actually living on 19,000. So here's the rule. 3 things in this order done in 48 hours. Step 1, run the leakage audit. On salary day, before anything else, open your bank app, go to auto debits, write down every commitment, EMI, rent, subscriptions, insurance, everything. उन सबको add करो, that number is your committed money. Everything left is your real money. Do this once, it takes 20 minutes. Most people have never done it in their entire working life. Step 2, save first immediately. Before paying for anything that isn't a fixed commitment, transfer your saving amount out immediately to a separate account or let your SIP auto debit. The exact amount depends on what you have left after committed money, but the principle is non-negotiable. Savings go first, not last. Why? Because there is a very important piece of data here. India now has 10 crore active SIP accounts, but the average SIP amount is only 2000 to 2500 per month. Matlab, most Indians doing SIP are doing it at the minimum because they are investing what's left, not what they planned. The people who save the most are not the people who earn the most. They are the people who decided the saving number first and lived on the rest. Step 3. Cancel one thing you don't use. Every salary day, just one. The gym you haven't visited in last 4 months. The Spotify account you use on your partner's phone anyway. एक चीज cancel करो हर महीने. That's 300 rupees to 700 rupees redirected to saving. Small, but it's the habit of auditing that matters. Now ये routine rigid नहीं है. आप इसको adjust कर सकते हो according to whatever the way that is suitable to you. Some people do step 2 before step 1. Some people automate everything on the first, so they don't have to think. That's fine. The rule is flexible in execution, but non-negotiable in principle. In the first 48 hours, you decide where your money goes. But after 48 hours, your lifestyle decides. अगर आपको ये framework eye-opening लगा और informative लगा, तो वीडियो को like कर दो. It helps this reach someone who needs it. So steps 1, 2, 3 sounds simple, but here is the part most people miss. The part जो डिफाइन करता है कि क्या ये चीज लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए आपके लिए वर्क करेगी या फिर नहीं. It's not about the discipline. It's about the 48-hour window itself. Most financial advice tells you be disciplined. Don't spend impulsively, make a budget. But here's what they are missing. The brain doesn't treat all money the same. Money that's been claimed by a category, savings, rent, EMI, feels different from money that's just sitting there. Unclaimed money gets spent always. आपने भी ये चीज फील करी होगी. जब आपको कहीं पैसे देने होते for some work, तो हम खर्च नहीं करते. But after paying all the important things, जो पैसे बचे होते, जो सिर्फ पड़े होते आपके अकाउंट में, उनको यूज करने की इचिंग होती है हमारी बॉडी में. This is why the 48-hour window exists. And to be honest, मैंने भी सेम चीज करी. सैलरी आती थी और मैं सोचता था इस बार सेव करूंगा, और फिर वो हो नहीं पाता था, और फिर मंथ की एंड में कुछ नहीं बचने की फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती थी. One day I actually sat down and did the leakage audit. And I realized I had 4 subscriptions I hadn't used in over 6 months. 1 insurance policy I didn't remember taking. 2 SIPs I had started and stopped. मैं disciplined नहीं हो गया overnight. I stopped leaving the decision to future me. Was always tired, always distracted, always one temptation away from spending. Because as a human, हमें एक system चाहिए होता है लाइफ में सही चलने के लिए. I automated everything in the first 48 hours. And future me never had to decide again. Here's the number that hit me the hardest. National household savings in India have collapsed to 5.3% of GDP, a 47-year low. And household debt has nearly doubled in 2 years. Hitting 18.8 lakh crore in 2023 to 2024. We're earning more than ever and saving less than ever simultaneously. That's not a personal failure. That's what a Parkinson law is, which is operating at a national scale. The 48-hour window is your individual defense against a system that is architecturally designed to capture your money before you consciously allocate it. The 48-hour window is the only time your salary is truly yours. But 48 hours के बाद वो पैसे belong करते हैं आपकी lifestyle को, to the commitment you set up, the habits you have formed, the account balance that makes everything looks affordable. You have exactly 48 hours to claim it every single month. Now मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. What percentage of your salary is already committed before you spend a single rupee? EMIs, rent, family, auto debit. एक approx estimation निकालो and drop the number in the comments. I really wanna know. So now let's make this specific and actionable, especially for the people who feel like there is genuinely nothing left after all the obligation is complete. Step 1. Do the leakage audit today, not tomorrow. Open your bank app right now, go to auto debits और सारे pre-commitment amount add करो and then subtract from your take home salary. और जो भी बचता है, that's your actual usable money, not what your bank balance shows on the first. Step 2. Set your SIP to auto debit on salary day. Not the 10th, not after rent, salary day. Go to Grow or Zerodha Coin, pick a Nifty 50 index fund, UTI or HDFC Nifty 50 direct growth, set the SIP date to your exact salary date. इवन 500 रुपए, इवन 1000 रुपए, द अमाउंट मैटर्स लेस देन द हैबिट। अगर जेन्युइनली आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं बचता है आफ्टर ऑल द ऑब्लिगेशन, दैट्स फाइन। 500 रुपए अमाउंट सेट करो, एक महीने में 500 रुपए सेव करना, दैट्स द हैबिट। एक बार हैबिट बिल्ड हो जाए फिर सिचुएशन के साथ अमाउंट भी ग्रो हो जाता है। स्टेप 3, सेट अप अ सेपरेट अकाउंट फॉर सेविंग्स। योर सैलरी अकाउंट इज योर फ्लो अकाउंट, मनी कम्स इन, कमिटमेंट्स गोज आउट। ओपन अ सेकंड जीरो बैलेंस अकाउंट एंड कॉल इट योर फ्यूचर मनी अकाउंट। Even mentally labeling it differently changes how you treat it. हर सैलरी डे आपकी SIP ऑटो डेबिट होती है आपके सैलरी अकाउंट से। Whatever extra you can save, transfer manually to the future money account in that 48-hour window. After 48 hours, what's in your salary account is your month's living money, nothing else. What I mean to say कि अगर आप हर महीने अपनी सेविंग्स ऑटोमेट नहीं करोगे तो आप वो डिसीजन अपने फ्यूचर यू पे छोड़ रहे हो। वो इज बिजी, टायर्ड एंड वन जोमेटो ऑर्डर अवे फ्रॉम स्पेंडिंग। और इसकी कॉस्ट सिर्फ वो महीने के 1000 रुपए नहीं, इट्स द कंपाउंडिंग ऑफ 100 मंथ ऑफ आई विल सेव नेक्स्ट मंथ। सब्सक्राइब करो अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं ऐसे ही फाइनेंशियल क्लैरिटी कंटिन्यू कर सकूं हर वीक ऑन सैटरडे। एक कॉन्सेप्ट जो एक्चुअली में आपके पैसे प्रोटेक्ट करेगा। सो डोंट बी ए गाय जो मैं था, जो सोचता था इस बार मैनेज हो जाएगा। सैलरी आती थी, मैं फील करता था मैं कंट्रोल में, और फिर मंथ के एंड में वही सेम सी। द डिफरेंस नाउ इजंट माय इनकम, इट्स दैट आई स्टॉप्ड ट्रस्टिंग माय फ्यूचर सेल्फ टू मेक द राइट डिसीजन एंड इंस्टेड बिल्ट अ सिस्टम दैट मेक्स द राइट डिसीजन ऑटोमेटिकली। द 48-hour money rule isn't about being perfect with the money, it's about being smart. But here's the follow-up question that naturally comes next. You have now claimed your salary in 48 hours. You have set up your SIP. But wait, are you investing in the right order? Because there is a sequence to investing that most people get completely wrong. And getting the order wrong can wipe out everything a single bad year can throw at you. That video, the exact order to invest your money, is a direct continuation of everything we just covered today. So वो video अभी जाके देखो. That video will completely change how you invest.